Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat AI. So first you need to open your Snapchat app, then go to your chat box. So here is your My AI section. So this AI feature is like ChatGPT. It will answering you what you ask to it. For example, I'm asking for a joke. So write a joke. So look, he sent me a joke. So you think as a friend of yours, also if you go to his profile, you can change his outfit or everything from here. Okay, I'm changing her outfit from here. Okay, I'm choosing this one. So guys, this is how you can use your Snapchat AI feature. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.